Do you struggle with making money? Do you need passive income? Do you want to buy something but you can't really afford it yet because you don't have extra cash? Well, you've come to the right place in today's video. I'll be showing you a website that is 100% legit. It pays you daily and it does not require any specific skills nor prior experience. This is available worldwide. You can access this any time of the day and anywhere in the world. Another good thing about this website is that number one, no selling is required. Number two, no referral system is being done. Number three, you don't need to have a large social media following. And number four, it is free. Yes, you heard that right. It is absolutely free of charge. I will walk you through exactly what you need to do in a few steps, and in less than 5 minutes, bam, you can earn lots of money and withdraw starting today. So keep on watching. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The website I'm going to introduce to you today is called Clearvoice. I want you to type in clearvoice.com in any web browser you are using. Clearvoice is a website where you can create content with a team of freelancers that are managed by producers dedicated to your brand. This is more known to be called team lancing. As the saying goes, two is better than one. In Clearvoice, they provide innovative tools and implement creative features for people to have collaboration in the process of creating content. This makes it easier for you and for other individuals to work together for a quick and efficient delivery. Clearvoice has already collaborated with companies and brands such as 1205 Marketing, Conductor, Convince, and Convert, as well as Freshline. Partnering with Clearvoice will help your business grow by focusing more on your clients and less on your day-to-day technicalities of content creation. You provide a direction and they provide the action for your content. Now, I want you to scroll down to the very bottom of Clearvoice homepage. As you can see, there are links provided. I want you to click on for freelancers link. This will then take you to this page where you can sign up to be a freelancer. Earning money can be as simple as posting articles. This is how we are able to earn up to $900 on this website. As you explore the page, you will come across this part where you can see people from all over the world who use this exact strategy to earn a consistent passive income monthly. Now, you can be one of them who can earn good amount of money every month. Now, all you have to do is put in your first name and your last name and click on this button to get started. This is a simple registration process. From there, once you log into your account, you can see your username on the upper right corner of the page. Next up, it gives you the freedom to edit your profile, or is known as your CV. You should be able to complete your profile details, including your profile picture. And as you can see on the right side of the profile, you can see your progress on completing your CV. In just a moment, I will show you how to copy and paste different articles to be posted on top of your profile. And from there, you can start making $100, $200, or even $300. Here you can see different profiles of other people. Now let me show you an example of one of the freelancers that use Clearvoice. Let's look at this profile right here. Just click on this View CV button and it will take you to his profile. Now as you scan through the profile, you can look at different articles that are posted by this freelancer. As you can see, there are so many articles that are posted that is being separated into different categories such as marketing, social media, lifestyle, and so on. These freelancers are now getting paid every single day for every single blog post and article that are posted on their profile. Earning money has never been so easy. People who need to read articles on specific things can go to clearvoice.com. They go to the website's homepage and they go and click the Talent Network tab. And under that, we have category, role, and content type. Clearvoice groups articles into different categories such as advertising, marketing, finance, healthcare, and there's so much more. Now just simply browse on different profiles and click on an article that caught your attention and read it through. Then boom, you make money. You don't need to pressure yourself into writing an actual article because up next, I will show you a secret website on how you can get free articles by simply copying and pasting it and then posting it on your Clearvoice profile. Yes, you heard that right. You can earn money through copying and pasting and then posting the article. I will then be showing you a step-by-step procedure on how to upload them and start making money starting right now. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. Now, I want you to go to the second website that is called killerplrarticles.com. Basically, on this website, you can find an unlimited supply of fresh private content articles for copy and paste, and these are copyright free for commercial use. You can use this for any purposes that you may want. You can sell it, you can repost it, basically you can use it in any way that you would like. That is how amazing the Killer PLR Articles website is. Now, what I want you to see here on this website is they can put procedures on how to create an account. As you scroll further, you have different categories. This includes articles that talk about arts and entertainment, business and economy, computers and technology, and even about self-improvement. The list of categories just go on. And the good thing about this is that the more categories we have, the more articles that you can repost and re-upload in clearvoice.com, and the more cash that we can get to earn. Now, we just have to find the right articles to be uploaded on our profile. First thing, you should click this link to browse more categories, which will direct you to this page. So let's just say that you want your article to be about business, specifically advertising. Just click this link, then voila! You will be presented with lots of articles about advertising. If you already found your preferred article, click on it and it will lead you to the page of the article. For example, this one. If I click this, I will show you a preview of the article and it will also state how many words the article has. To be able to download this article, you should click the link here and sign up. This will take you to this page where you should fill up your full name, email address, and password. Then just click this button to get free access to the article. Now all you have to do is go back to your Clear Voice profile and re-upload and repost this article on your profile. You should click this button Add Content that is located in the lower right corner of your screen. This is where you copy and paste the URL link of the article, or you can just upload the file from your phone or computer. Right now, as you can see, the free article that I got from killerplrarticles.com is successfully uploaded in clearvoice.com. Once you're done uploading, you just need to fill up the information about the article that is located on the right side of your screen. It is very important that you fill up that correct details so that it will be approved for uploading to your profile. You should select a category by clicking the drop-down arrow and click Advertising, since it is the topic that you chose in the killerplrarticles.com. For the primary role, you should choose the option Writer. For content type, you should choose between article or blog post. For section, make sure to click Published Content so that people will have the opportunity to read your published article on your profile. And finally, on the description, you can just type in the title of your article. After filling it up, just click Update, then you're done. Woohoo! You can keep on looking for different articles under different categories and then upload them on your clearvoice.com profile. You will definitely make hundreds, if not thousands of dollars just by doing this. Because the more articles uploaded, the more money you can make. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.